Just a quick update on where we've got to with the next build. This is basically the dry build. We don't normally do a dry build, but I'm still working on trying to get this kit dialed in so we can actually sell it as a kit, which I need to try it on various different bikes just to make absolutely sure that I could package it up and send it off and know for certain that it's going to fit any 883 Sportster. And there are little differences between each one, as we've been finding. So it's been a bit of a greasy pole to try and figure out how to make a one size fits all. But this, so far, with a little tweak of the jig, I still need to do one small tweak of the jig. I think I've got it now. I think it's all perfectly lining up. I mean, it's nice to actually come round to putting the belt onto the pulleys and finding that it runs perfectly and doesn't run off the pulleys without any tuning or messing about with it. It just fits and works. So that's where we're at the moment. Another week or so and this one will be ready for registration, and then off down to Weymouth for its new life by the sea.